Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how the payment settlement message looks like. Now I know in your mind, you may be wondering how you will receive your monies back when you receive payments via mobile money or card from your customers on Keepsales. Now there are some tips we have to know concerning payment. The first is that all payments are powered by Paystack, and as a result, all payments are safe and very much secure. And then the third tip to know is that all settlements are made at exactly 2 working days. Okay, so I'm going to show you how that settlement message looks like. Now, if you have watched our previous videos on how to process card payments and mobile money payments, after you have received payments via Keepsales, what you notice is that at exactly 2 working days, you will receive a message, okay, indicating that monies have been credited to whichever account that you used to receive payments on Keepsales. Like I stated, it is very prompt, it is safe and secure, and it is very reliable. So this is how a typical message is going to look like. Okay, so you get a message that says that payments received for the transaction that was made for the day. Okay, whichever amount of monies that your customers pay to you via mobile money or via card, okay, you receive the amount to be stated from quick pay. Okay, from quick pay pool, so to be added to your current balance, blah blah. So this is actually a mobile money transaction. Okay, this is also very similar to a card transaction as well. And you notice that the reference here is Paystack Ghana Limited. As I stated at first, that all Keepsales payments are powered by Paystack. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again in our subsequent videos. Do have a wonderful time and bye bye.